You don't need a college degree. You don't need connections. And you definitely don't need to be a genius to make real money with 3D skills in 2026. But only a few specific 3D skills actually pay consistently. Most people are learning the wrong ones. In this video, I'm breaking down the 3D skills that actually make money. Skills people around the world are using right now to get clients, freelance, sell assets, and even build businesses without a degree. By the end of this video, you'll know which 3D skills pay the fastest, which ones are oversaturated, and which direction makes the most sense for your level. But there's one skill on this list that looks boring, yet it quietly makes more money than most cinematic 3D art. We'll get to that one in a moment. Most beginners chase what looks cool, not what actually pays. And that's why so many talented 3D artists stay broke. Let's fix that. 3D skills that actually make money. 1. Product visualization. Easiest money for beginners. This is one of the highest paying, lowest hype 3D skills. Brands don't care about cinematic short films. They care about clean product images, ads, Amazon listings, social media visuals. If you can model and light, bottles, tech gadgets, cosmetics, furniture, you already have a market. One big reason it's beginner-friendly is that it focuses on a fixed set of objects, products that generally don't need crazy, complex movements or environments, which keeps things simple and manageable. You can quickly create high-quality renders that highlight details like materials, textures, and lighting to make products pop visually. Because of this, it's easier to develop skills fast and start offering your services to clients who want stunning visuals for their websites, catalogs, or ads. Additionally, product visualization is cost-effective and time-saving for businesses, so they are willing to pay for it right away. You can iterate designs and make changes faster than physical prototypes, meaning you can deliver work quickly and earn faster. Many beginner tutorials focus on product visualization for this reason, making it accessible and practical for newcomers wanting to earn money in 3D quickly. Product visualization pays well for 3D artists because it offers huge value to businesses by making products look super realistic and interactive online. This helps customers understand exactly what they're buying from every angle, reduces product returns, and boosts sales, so companies are willing to pay good money for top-notch 3D renders. 3D product visualization creates immersive and interactive experiences that traditional photos just can't match. Customers can zoom, rotate, and really inspect products, which builds trust and cuts down on returns since buyers know what to expect. Compared to traditional photo shoots, 3D visualization is way more flexible and cost-effective. Companies save time and money because they don't need to reshoot for minor changes or multiple product variations. This efficiency makes 3D artists' work highly valuable. Product visuals created in 3D help businesses stand out and attract more buyers through realistic, eye-catching presentations that can be used across websites, catalogs, and ads. This improved marketing power translates into higher sales, meaning companies are ready to pay well for skilled 3D artists who deliver those results. 3D artists can experiment with different designs, colors, and setups quickly without physical prototypes, allowing brands to test the market and showcase new ideas even before production. This kind of creative flexibility adds another layer of value to their work. In short, 3D product visualization pays well because it's a cost-effective way for businesses to increase sales, reduce risks, and better engage customers with visually stunning and interactive content. 2. Game asset creation. Every game needs props, weapons, environments, characters, and many indie developers don't have full-time 3D artists. Some 3D artists even make a steady income or full-time living by regularly producing and selling popular assets or custom orders from clients. You create something cool and useful for games, like rig characters, props, or textures. You upload these assets to marketplaces where game devs browse and buy exactly what they need. You earn money either through one-time sales, royalties, or subscriptions if you have a Patreon or similar setup. Some artists hustle by doing custom commissions for indie developers or studios. The coolest part? One asset model can be sold multiple times across different games. So it's kind of like making money while you sleep once the asset is up and selling. Plus, you can build a brand and following that leads to more opportunities like contracts or teaching others how to make game assets. So if you're into 3D modeling and love games, turning your assets into cash is about putting your work where game devs can find it and making stuff they actually want to use. It's a mix of creativity, marketing, and knowing the game dev space. 3. Motion graphics and social media animation. Motion graphics and social media animations are hands down one of the easiest cash cows for 3D artists starting out. Think quick reels, TikToks, or Insta stories that brands snap up fast. This skill is exploding because brands need constant content. These gigs are beginner-friendly because you don't need Hollywood-level skills. Just snappy 10 to 30-second clips with text pops, transitions, and simple 3D elements that grab eyes on social. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Etsy are flooded with small biz owners wanting logo intros or promo loops. They're low commitment, turn around in hours, and pay $50 to $300 a pop for starters. It's way quicker than full game assets or films. Perfect if you're grinding Blender daily like in your 6-month plan. Post 3D motion reel for your brand. On Upwork/Fiverr, clients pay fixed $60 to $650 for shorts, scaling to $350 plus per day as you build a reel. Sell editable templates/presets on Motion Elements, Creative Market, or Etsy. Upload once. Earn royalties every download for social packs. Or crank viral motivational reels for your own accounts. Monetize via IG bonuses, YT Shorts ads, or sponsorships hitting $300 per day once views explode. Entry jobs even list $50K, $65K remote for juniors doing exactly this. Stack a few weekly gigs, and you're pulling real side cash without burning out. 4. Architectural visualization. This is one of the highest paying 3D industries if you're patient. Architects and real estate developers need interior renders, exterior walkthroughs, 3D floor plans. Architectural visualization is one of the easiest and most effective ways for 3D artists to make money because it directly serves a high-demand market. Architects, real estate developers, and builders who need compelling visuals to sell projects. It makes money by creating photorealistic renderings, animations, and virtual walkthroughs that help clients showcase unbuilt spaces to investors and buyers. This visual storytelling is powerful because it bridges imagination and reality, enabling better marketing, faster approvals, and stronger sales. 3D artists typically charge per project or per deliverable like still renders, animations, or VR experiences. Project values can range from $1,500 up to $20,000 or more, depending on complexity and client type. Artists often increase earnings by diversifying services, such as offering VR walkthroughs or bundled animation packages, which can add 20 to 50% more fees. Profit margins on still renderings can reach 60 to 70%, with animations and VR slightly lower due to time and technical demands. Freelancers may keep up to 80% of profits after costs because of lower overhead, while studios might keep 20 to 35% net profit after salaries and expenses. Architectural visualization is powerful because it helps clients see the future before it's built. Think of it as giving a sneak peek that feels real. This tangibility helps architects and developers convince buyers quickly and reduces misunderstandings. For 3D artists, it's relatable because the work combines creative artistry with practical goals, transforming blueprints into immersive, attractive experiences that drive real business results. Plus, with widely available software and online marketplaces, artists can enter this field relatively easily and tap into a global client base. In short, architectural visualization is a practical, high-value 3D art niche where artists can build a profitable business by meeting a clear market need with visual magic that sells buildings before they even exist. 5. Asset selling, passive 3D income. Instead of working for clients, you create once and sell forever. You can sell props, materials, textures, lighting setups, 3D scenes, You can sell those assets on Blender Market, CG Trader, ArtStation, Sketchfab. It's slower at the start, but it becomes passive income over time. 6. 3D plus AI workflows, new money zone. This is the newest skill combo, making serious money. Artists now mix 3D, AI images, motion for ads, short films, concepts, social media campaigns, because few people can do both properly yet. This is one of the biggest opportunities in the next few years. By combining AI tools to speed up art creation with traditional 3D modeling skills to produce and sell valuable, production-ready assets like avatars, themed asset packs, or custom scripts. This workflow boosts efficiency and quality, letting artists quickly deliver high-demand product for digital marketplaces, freelance clients, and commercial licensing. It's powerful because AI automation cuts down on tedious tasks, creating more time and a streamlined process that scales income potential. Artists use AI for concept generation, quick texturing, or automating repetitive steps like retopology and rigging. Then they refine and polish models using 3D software to create saleable assets. These assets, such as character avatars, modular environment packs, or animation rigs, can be sold on platforms like Sketchfab, TurboSquid, CG Trader, or freelancing sites. Many artists also develop AI-powered Blender scripts or automation tools to sell, adding a unique tech product to their portfolio. This mix of human creativity and AI efficiency creates high-value digital products buyers want, enabling both active and passive income streams. The real strength of this approach is in workflow optimization and scalability. AI helps speed up time-consuming stages so artists can produce more assets faster or deliver projects quicker to clients. The ability to do more in less time means artists can monetize skills more effectively, whether through direct sales, commissions, or licensing. Also, AI-generated elements allow for competitive pricing or unique artistic styles that stand out. This combination of speed, quality, and customization makes it one of the most commercially viable ways to earn in 3D art today. Imagine you're cooking a meal and AI is like a fast, smart food processor that preps your ingredients automatically, letting you focus on plating and adding your signature style. That's what 3D plus AI means for artists. AI handles the grunt work, giving you more time and power to create and sell your best work. It's not about replacing artists. It's about making the creative and money-making process easier and more scalable without losing that personal touch. This blend is why many 3D artists find it an accessible, lucrative path. You don't have to be a coding genius. You just need to use AI to speed up your strong 3D skills and focus on what clients or buyers truly value. Here's the honest truth. You don't get paid for how creative your 3D art looks. You get paid for how much problem it solves for someone. The fastest path to money with 3D is solve business problems, save people time, help companies sell. When your skill equals business value, the money follows. Now here's the real question. If you pick just one of these skills today and focused on it for the next 6 to 12 months, how much could you realistically earn? Because most people don't fail from lack of talent. They fail from lack of focus. If this video opened your eyes to the real money side of 3D, subscribe right now. This channel is all about turning 3D skills into real income. And if you want me to drop a step-by-step roadmap for the highest paying 3D skill for beginners, comment money skill below, and I'll make it your next video.